This training's learning objectives are: 1. After this training, you will be able to successfully use PowerPoint to create sign templates. 2. After this training, you will be able to successfully use PowerPoint to create a sign. And 3. After this training, you will be able to successfully use PowerPoint to print a sign. Welcome to SignMaker's Sign Making 101. Let's begin. Here at SignMaker, we use PowerPoint to create simple signs. To open PowerPoint, you must double-click on the PowerPoint desktop item. Now that we have opened a blank presentation, we will review some PowerPoint components. Let's begin with the ribbon. The ribbon consists of different tabs. We will review the Home tab, the Insert tab, the Design tab, the Review tab, and finally, the View tab. In the Home tab, you can choose the design of the slide, as well as the font and formatting of the text. In the Insert tab, you can insert new slides, tables, pictures, shapes, word art, or text boxes. The Review tab is mainly going to be used to review the spelling and grammar of the slide or sign. This is recommended before printing out any sign. Now we will review the slide panel. In the slide panel, you can see the different slides you have created. You can also duplicate, rearrange, or delete slides from here. To duplicate a slide, you will need to right-click over the slide you wish to duplicate and then select the Duplicate Slide option. To rearrange a slide, you will need to click and drag the slide to the position you wish to move it. To delete a slide, you will need to right-click on the slide you wish to delete and then select the Delete Slide option. Finally, let's review the slide viewer. This displays the slide that you are currently working on. Here you can choose to add text, shapes, and graphics to create your design. We will review how to do this later on in the training. To open the SignMaker template, you will need to first open the shared folder. Next, you will need to find and click on the Sign Templates file. Once the file opens, you will see the templates. These templates are used for specific SignMaker signs and at the request of a customer. To create a custom template, you will first have to open a blank PowerPoint presentation. Let's say, for example, that this customer has requested a sign with a rounded rectangle border. To create this, you will first have to click on the Insert tab, click on Shapes, and then select the rounded rectangle shape. Then you will simply drag and release. Let's begin to make a border using this rectangle. First, we will need to get rid of the fill by right-clicking, selecting Unfill, and then selecting No Fill. Next, we will change the outline to black, and then we will change the weight to 4.5. Now we will make the corners less round. And then finally, we will center this in the page. Now we will learn how to add text, insert shapes, and finally insert any graphics. Let's begin with adding text. To add text, you must click on the Insert tab and insert either a text box or word art. When you click on text box, you will have to click and drag to create the size of the text box. To insert word art, you must click on word art. Select a style, and then a text box will come up. Here you can change it to read what you like. Finally, you can edit this text to fit your needs by using the Format tab in the ribbon. To add a shape, you will need to click on the Insert tab, click on Shapes, and select the desired shape. Once you have your shape, you can edit it to fit your needs by right-clicking or using the Format tab. To insert a picture or graphic, you must first click on the Insert tab and click on either Pictures or Online Pictures. When you click on Pictures, you can add a picture from your computer. By clicking on Online Pictures, you can add clip art. To print an 11 by 8 sign, click on File, click on Print, select the MFP5 printer, and click Print. To print a 24 by 18 sign, click on File, click on Print, select the plotter printer, click on Printer Properties, and set the size to 24 by 18. Click OK. Click OK once more. And finally, print. To print a 24 by 36 sign, click on File, then Print, select the plotter printer, click on Printer Properties, and change the size to 36 by 24. Click OK, click OK again, and then finally click Print. This completes our training. You should now be able to 1. Use PowerPoint to create sign templates, 2. Use PowerPoint to create a sign, and 3. Use PowerPoint to print a sign.